If I were starting a YouTube channel today with 0 subscribers, these are the mistakes I would never make. Because most small creators don't fail from lack of talent. They fail from bad strategy. Let's talk about it. Mistake number 1. Posting without a clear direction. When you start, it's tempting to try everything. Gaming today, motivation tomorrow, music next week. But YouTube needs clarity. If the algorithm doesn't know who your audience is, it can't recommend you. Pick one clear direction. Mistake number 2. Making videos nobody is searching for. As a small channel, you don't have the luxury of random topics. You must create searchable content. Instead of, my thoughts on YouTube, do, why you're not getting views on YouTube. Small creators need search traffic first. Mistake number 3. Weak first 10 seconds. If your intro starts slow, people leave. And if they leave early, YouTube stops pushing your video. Start strong. Make a promise. Create curiosity. Retention is everything. Mistake number 4. Obsessing over subscribers. Subscribers don't matter in the beginning. Views matter. Click-through rate matters. Watch time matters. If one video hits 10,000 views, subscribers will come naturally. Focus on value, not the number. Mistake number 5. Quitting too early. Most creators quit before 30 videos. YouTube rewards consistency, not motivation. Even if you start small, if you improve every upload, you'll eventually break through. If you're starting YouTube right now, focus on strategy, not luck, not shortcuts. Avoid these mistakes, and you're already ahead of most beginners. Start smart, stay consistent, and let the numbers grow over time.